Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. My name is Ophir Blumenthal and today we are going to test cross-browser testing in Cypress. And before we jump how to actually do it, I want to recommend about this website, DemoQA. This is the website that we are going to test. It's a great site for making some automation testing. It have basically elements that it will be really easy to start with. And this site is really simple, and let's dive into the Cypress cross-browsing test. So um, let's show you basically the cycle test that run on a specific browser, first of all. Um, If I will open Cypress first, we can see that right now it will basically run on one browser. For the default is Chrome, but I also have a Firefox installed on my local machine, and we have also Electron browser. So if I will run the test, now it will run the test only on a specific browser, the Chrome one. So let's check this one. You can see the website is loading and the test is done really quick. It's a simple one. Basically, we visit the demo QA URL. After this, we are searching for the elements card. We are clicking on it, and then we searching for the text box button, and we are typing some random string in the full name input and click submit. So it's a really simple one, just to demonstrate how to test cross-browsing with Cypress. So after we understand that this is the normal running Cypress test, but what happened if we want to run this test on also on Chrome and Firefox browser on the same time and in one running? So let me show you how to do it. For this we will need to open package.json file, and right here under scripts we will need to add some code, and the first one will be Cypress run spec. It's a random name that I picked, but we have to start with Cyrun. That's basically said npx Cypress run and run the specific test that I show you before, the demo test spec JS that's located inside the integration folder. So we can see it right here. And we want also to run this one on Chrome for the first time. So I add a side run browser npm run. So it's basically mean when I will type this command, it will operate the Cyrun spec command, and it will open it on the browser Chrome. So let's try how to do it. So here I can basically, I need to close the Cypress before, and we can type npm run sci run browser, hit enter, and we should need to see now the Cypress open. And yes, it's open the browser, and we can see it's start testing. Great. So Yes, and we also have some dashboard that let us know what was the result of this test. But okay, now we understand how to run it on one browser. So how can we actually run it on our second browser? It's also not a big deal. We just need to add, for example, if we are now running on Chrome, so I can add, okay, and the same one, npm run sunrise spec, but also run this one on Firefox browser also. So now let's see what will happen. Okay, yes. No, it still work on only one. That's why. Let's see again why that's happened. Oh, I think I didn't save the changes. Oh, yes. Now we can see it's open to Cypress and we are waiting now and it should open our both. Yes, our both browser. One in this left side it was Chrome and the right side it was Firefox. And we can see it's testing on both of the browser. And here we can see the result. Cool. So this is really simple how to manipulate Cypress to run the test on multiple browser and and yes, and that's it. And before we finish, if we want to not open the browser but do want to operate the testing without open the browser, we can add here in the Siron spec this command, and it should not open the browser itself and just let us know the result here in the terminal. So let's try it again. I will save it and we'll run the test again. Yes, now it should not open the browser. Yes, we can see it's not opening any browser, and we can see the process of the testing right here in the terminal. Yep, and it's done, and we can see that the first browser was all good. We test one, pass one, and we can see the duration 3 seconds also here in the Firefox, and that's it. Thank you very much to watching, and see you next time.